Right, AJ, when I saw this 4.7 trillion
Mhm.
expiring today, first, how's that even possible?
Well, it's the derivatives market, man. And, when people are hedging their bets, they do so with some vigor.
And so the recent pullback, has that been one of the big drivers for the volume increase? Because I'm assuming this
Oh,
is quite
absolutely.
quite a bit more than the average.
Yeah. And you got to remember that everybody looks at the options market and they think that it's kind of, especially newbies, they think it's kind of like the stock market in that, the shares that are being traded on the floor, that there's a set number. There isn't, right? The option market is set up. I like to bring up the analogy that it's like a flea market, right? And so these people who run the flea market come up and they set up the tent with all the different booths. Each booth is for a different option, strike price, type, call or put, and expiration date. So there's tables for each one, but it's you and me, the individual investors who actually create these things and trade them. You could go to a particular table and you'll have a bunch of people around there trading a lot of these things, creating them and then trading them. Whereas you'll go to some tables where you just hear crickets. There's nobody actually trading them, right? So you got to remember that the options market one month could be zero. Another month it could be 4 point something trillion dollars, and it all depends on how much activity is necessary to protect yourself from surprise moves